Let's recall about sign convention in mirrors. Right? So remember, the sign convention will be differ from lens to mirror. This is one thing. Second thing is so simple, very simple. Why you are making it more complicated, I don't know. First is, this is the diagram, right? Okay. So as you know, this line is a principal axis, and this is what the mirror. And here the center, it is known as pole. Got it? Now, as per the sign convention rules, whatever you are keeping the object, you must keep it in front of the mirror. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is the first one. Where you have to keep the object? You have to keep the object in front of the mirror. Got it? Number one. Second, whatever the distance of object, distance of image, Hema, concentrate. Distance of object, distance of image. All the measurements you have to start from where? Pole. Second one. Third, don't say it like if the object is, here it should be always positive. Instead of those words, you have to say, if the object is in upward direction, use these words. If the object is in upward direction, right, compared to principal axis, that height must be taken as positive. If the object is in downward direction, it may be object or it may be image. That if it is in downward direction, then it should be negative. Got it? Another one, what is that? This side and this side. Okay. Towards what? Towards left, it should be negative. Towards right, it should be positive. So these all are what? Sign conventions for what? Mirror. For what? Mirror. Is that clear? This is one thing. Second, what we discussed, Hema, it's my humble request, please connect with the subject, connect with the teacher, connect with the friends, connect with the class. Otherwise, no use. So now we need to understand what is that? Magnification of mirror. And with this, we have to understand one more, that is what? Mirror formula. What is that? Mirror formula. So as you know yesterday, mirror formula will explain the relation between what? Tell me. It will explain the relation between object distance, image distance and the focal length. Yes or no?